Hi friends, I want to show you this new electric curling brush. As you can see, it's practice and have the perfect size. It's green and pink, and comes with this glove to protect your hands from burns. Comes with this little brush too that you can use to your hair or to clean the hair that stays in the brush. So you can use it to curl in your hair or to straighten. So let's go use it. I'm gonna use it in this part of my hair to straighten, and as you can see, it's so easy to use. My hair is a little wet, and the brush make her function perfectly. Now we're gonna use it in this part to make a curling effect. As you can see, it's so easy to curl your hair with this brush, and so quickly too. So I highly recommend this brush if you like to curl in your hair, or if you need to save time. It's an excellent product. See you.